me chetty for ne ahwefo nyina eba no Black Stars game na medical ka say obi a nani edi Ghana Black Stars echi at least for the better part of the last 4-5 years bedia to say Ghana fo nyina yigidie ewo Black Stars mo say ye kɔ kono ye kwa kusi akan ye major tournament a saa gidie anamri bi atwam nka yenya say Ghana say Germany ni Asia no say England o say Italy o ya hoɔden ɛne ɔma hoɔden ɛpɛ so ɔmo de ne mpo buru yeso mpo na ɛburu yeso kakra bi ne saa gidie na ɛso ate bebree fi be mfie enum ekosi mfie be nwɔtwe entemuni ɔho na wohwɛ Ghana team wo ya yeso ana na ye free bibi frɛfrɛ kɔbɔ akɔyɛ nipaku a ye frɛ ɔmo ɛwɔ area ɔmo hyɛ dan bɔ ɔmo ho bɔɔda ɔmo nim ɔmo ho bɔɔbɔ ti ye frɛ we ni afrɛ we ha so okay number 2 we betumi abɔ ne afrɛ ne adi saa nipaku na ba na ɔmo ba abɛbɔ de edi kan sɛ mɛmɛ yi na ɛte ase sɛ ye na susamba na yesusante ne yɛbɔ mfikyire bɔ ye de 11 ye ni coach bi a o coach ye enso yetumi bɔ na goals aba na ye ni age so football ankasa no ɛyɛ nimdia nyankopɔn adidue nipa bebree mu but de ya na ehia ne sɛ ɛyɛ institutionalized sisi a ya hyehye enti no wo ya ohia obi ɔno wo nimdia a wasua sɛ de sisi nipa na obetumi ahwɛ nipa na one na ekɔbɔ na team na one na ekɔbɔ na hoɔden ani baabi a ne sinto na what take advantage of the sinto no watumi ahwɛ no for the past 5 years on nana Ghana nya de friend a tactical disposition and as a kwan fa so bɔ ye hyehyɛ team ntu se team na ebɔbɔ na ohun se team no say butaye esi o mani so ni ye nya bi the only coach or buy last coach or buy or try so obetumi de Ghana IBB sa coach Kwesi Apia unfortunately ket Okrekumo administration buy omoma na ye den ekoye if you on the time no yenya coaches bit say CK Akono yenya coach Abraham Grant yenya Otu Ado part 1 any benya Chris Hutton any yenya Otu Ado part 2 Chadi Ghana boy no boy ya ye nyina yegu ya fem na Panama fo nko na e de pressure ma ye create chances because say last minute you tumi nya goal no sa na Ghana abobo no enti no ye ball na kwa ye try say ye be contain opponent no na ya bobo na sinachi de friend counter attack football no say e kwan be dey chiri ho a nyame ya adom ne yetumi bohyema ni aden ya bo ahima na ebi akona bi ne ya bo na petri bi ne ya bo e de ato atena nim so Ghana wo fundamental problem na me ba betro
yeah chire me
nana ye frɛ bi clinical diagnosis a doctor for neka yare bi ye wa yare bi a wo de friend symptoms ho ntete ho nti say bi a wanya bibi te say typhoid a ebetuma hya ase say I say awodew awona ede wona nye no ne yare no ana bi na uti ya
right
uti na ya na nye no ne yare no
right
ti yare no ball kokko say bibi koso oni paduam ti say uti ya na wanya typhoid na uti ya na malaria na uti hya ase say ya na ukotom paracetamol ti yare no de ebe den ebekọ but malaria na ye den eguso ogi say wakọ hospital na ya ma wa lab to a lab test na bi a doctor hu say malaria parasite ewo mu na afi yamma waduru abeye Ghana problem ne say the national team problem ewo mu no ye ntumi hu the problem na say yenim na boapayo ye bu ye nigu so na ya hyeda ahwe symptoms no the symptoms ni be treat ne say Ghana ebobo na ya anya ade a ye say coach na ya pam coach no in the last couple of years coaches bi ho ya pam mo a omo fi Ghana na omo call baby omo akwa ade ebi ni coach Kwesi Apia ebi ni Sika Akono Sika Akono akwaje Kenya Premier League yes season we are ending
really
or not say manager of the season Kenya
sir
yes
Sika Akono
ye pam no 2021 ya Ketukrekumo time
I see
coach Kwesi Apia ye pam no ode Sudan Sudan na say bi emre bi atwam ne ye ka ball akensi ankenye o ma fe ene Ghana
antokwa ne bomb
yes Sudan yiga Sudan adahoma ntini yentumi anko AFCON patron de me patron coach Lai Kenson ode under 17 ye de share ne nsa ɔne mpanimfoɔ no nya ntawantawa ɔsɛ na ɔmo pɛ sɛ ɔmo ɛkyerɛ no players ɔmo fa mmɔ ne deɛ ɛkeka wɔde abufuo ɛde ne dwumadie to hɔ abra tournament no mpo yɛ mbɔ nwie ɔno ne ɛkɔfa ɛyɛ another African team ɔde saa team na bɛyi Ghana efim ya under 17 ɔmo ntumi an qualify for World Cup a few way na yɛbɛbɔ no ɛyɛ Ghana ni ɛna boae ɛyi Ghana for film enti one of the symptoms said the American yare ne ntete ho na yɛ no yɛ pam coach but coaches ni bi ko prove kyerɛ sɛ nyɛ ɔmo na na problem
so, system no
ɛtɔ da yɛ so ɛyɛ sika ɔmo kɔ tournament a yɛ mo ɔmo sika dodoɔ to back at Jamaica Commission, crowd proposes a young couple, a young national team bonuses to your friend is saying 5,000. I buy so there be as players and you're motivated enough. If it's our time 2014, you call AFCON. The last 2 AFCONs, group stage and ye film. It been see that Ghana history say, yet to me I qualify different, but I qualify for AFCON. Now you call AFCON we a year 2021 AFCON.
Right.
Group stage ni film. Now I rehearse them say, or maybe to say Comoros. And another room or share my yen to me and qualify. The last AFCON I free move group stage 2022 and also Cape Verde qualify for my first World Cup or many Spain board draw or other room and I yen to me uncle. And at last AFCON I bought 2025 and put the young qualify input. But some of them may there's a bigger problem with the Ghana national team. They don't know if you may be exposed the diagnosis no. If in 1960s Ghana say ye AFCON 63 ni di kan je ye coach CK Jemfi yes je 65 eto aso CK Jemfi na e no ogina nchen e na 78 Fredo Sam Dodu e de Ghana beje ye that time no na former GFA boss Ben Kofi na assistant
right
e na ye ba 82 e na CK Jemfi na san ba e de Ghana e beje ye
right
obeje na Fredo Sam Dodu na assistant hwe 63 to 82 no na Ghana o man bi e wo wiase bia no ne football ye wo engina so a football no egina so etumi di nyini
right
ti sa okọ North Africa o man bi ti say Egypt omu local league no e na ye engina so a omu national team no ti tournament omu ye one of the teams omu large local boys I think about 11 of their players local boys omu bo Egyptian Premier League South Africa the same thing. All them a patch on. I think foreign players in about just 6 as the same. And now over Ghana, so that time brother na Americano. Na Ghana ye local league no. And na ye fat players a papa mo munina de kobo amana ne tournament. Inti 63 ye the all local boys. No mo fi dodo na fi Kotoko. Dodo na fi House of Folk. Dodo na fi Sekendi Hazakis 11 wise. And na e bi so fi Kwame Nkrumah team or tia na e friend no Real Republicans FC.
Okay.
Who's a Republican? No, Mobo League. No, said the bear. Omo, who are doing omo more than Bob Conkai, but near more point. Even though no League. Tina Republicans need team. Yes, it's a players a papa more Ghana top teams. Nina Kotoko and they House of Folk near Denia Diomu team. But now as Hatan international tournaments we bring unti near more Mobo Ghana League. Said the bear. Omo be active. Right. Na edu tournament. Omo to me I then akujina Ghana name. 80 by 78. No Hatan na. A man for more cross kwama no ne ekobo ball no ya adoso ti sa time no obi ti say George Alasan say no more ball Ghana no ball Congo Engelbert ti yenya I think 2 or 3 players they do mo call 78 wo AFCON na by the time you do 1992 no sa time na akwantu ni ade eba nti Ghana team they call Senegal 92 no na a mess of both foreign players and a local players into local players ni bi na coach Kwesi Apia mu nyina ye local players no more sa particular team no mo and former goalkeeper Mary Finidin meka enti no me na local na wo hwa ade a sa atan na nam se league na titru na ye football fapima na foundation enti no 1970
but to was mame but you projected the ABA you know Beshe players no local players ni mine Ghana Black Stars then for the records nebra Facebook ahimfie 106.1 ahimfie 106.1 beshe bi wo Facebook na hwe Ghana Black Stars tetememu ne ene be bia yadri ne beshe bi nefa comment bra na yenkinkan yema no twas review
enti said now hwe Ghana team now 1983 Asante Kotoko eje AFCON. The year before na Ghana aje your last AFCON Libya.
Yeah.
Team a yɛde call saa AFCON no na Ghana for na yɛde edoso saa 82 na Abidi was the youngest player at 16 years and na oka saa squad Abidi Pele obey captain enti that period na time bia Ghana teams no emodin bɔ kan bia no na ye local league and so yɛde ɛkɔn kan enti 82 Kotoko Ali ebo AFCON CAF Champions League final elusu ye 83 Kotoko san beje saa 82 team no na Kotoko boy sum 1992 Kotoko ne Zamalek and the ball AFCON your friend is saying final CAF Champions League final home and away omo draw na omo the penalties share Kotoko away Cairo
right
saa 1992 no Ghana echo AFCON na coach Frimpong Manso mu nyina na oy coach Frimpong Manso na was part of that particular team that has to folk war ama Senegal all them a patch so local league no and na afi players no omo kono but ade ba ko esan be kan ho afi sesan dynamics no kakra ne say edu baby na afi the friend youth football under 17 under 20 under 23 boys no omo ba be the omo be di ade ye kind of transitioning no ti se mpanimfo na ye kwa ye the boys omo fi local league ni ne omo ko bobo sa
under 17 15 for
ti sa 92 team I call AFCON to face ade e call no na local friends under 17 boys na Ghana akwa Italia 91 Italy under 17 ti coach ayide boys ne no munim ball ni bi ebo eka one of them was Neo Datilamti of course
yes Datilamti yes
the other one was Mohamed Gago Omo a 16-year-old boy so at the time Mohamed Gago all them patch no ka sa team no another one was Isaac Asari and no ball left back for Italia 91
right
and no fee hono time the last time a younger Ghana be Ghana you to me cause AFCON World Cup quarter final nye soare de ko semi final na 2009 Ghana G under 20 World Cup for the first time the only African country
did Ayew mo
yeah ye buy na Milo Van Raheback ehun say sa boys ni bi ni mbo bo ne ye kwa AFCON 2010 sa AFCON no call the boys ni about 6 and the koi did Ayew na nkasa kan opoku ajiman your friend saying ajiman bedu eka ho Jonathan Mensah cho be din tintiman ewo Ghana defense wa abra na John Mensah impra ne ade e ha no na oka ho all them a patch on and mabo opoku ajiman din and Samuel Inkum yes final a boy against Egypt you lose by 1-0 no 4 of those boys started opoku ajiman ne Asamoah na lead ya and
they were strong
so there was a transition patroti them make you qualify for 2006 World Cup no 26 man squad there the call na emu 13 about at least one youth team at the Ghana 13 of the boys here do omo coin maybe do we am what ya di bi ase boys na no ma born obi to say 7 appear no about youth level nko 3 times the Ghana about 1995 under 17 Ecuador about 97 under 17 about 99 under 20 edema Ghana Samekufo about Italia 91 Japan 93 about Australia 93 under 20 esan be ball your friend is saying Olympic Games edema on the patron ofa goalkeeper no George Owu was part of the 2001 under 20 team na ilusu to Argentina now the American winner say there was a system and boys no omo born no omo nim omo from youth level even youth level ina na omo born now omo bebre na so abo co soccer amongst themselves and see omo nim said the obia eye ne niema obi te say Sule Muntai na dan for pane Michael Essien omo abo omo ho bo ache Sule no you case captain back then o case me ahwe Sule Muntai wo was pack omo ne twene amanfo ebe boy satan na mate ese boy bi di Sule olidi me we ko hwe na ball that no ball number 3 on the left back so boys ni mo to the point to say edu baby na se ball no emu ye din a obi anim so ball na ni a we nim so ofa sas ayini bi na bo a house folk 2000 team no mo je CAF Champions League. And I
took few.
Yes.
Yeah.
Omo boss boy ni boy dia. Omo ka say enye coach nko ahoɔden and onim de. But nam say na omo bomo. Sa team na omo bomo 6 years. Omo G League to aso 6 years. The City and omo J omo sha ase 97 na omo G League to aso so omo dominate league na Ishmaelado G go king to aso. Ti sa time na me kai say utie comment na te say kwa Safa Bebresa ne Kwakufu so asare mo ko unya te Charles Taylor Dombote Emmanuel Oseko for
Ishmaelado Samran na ye bobo Kumasi a won say baba ya raye ma
yes born Danet
ko yem list me say Charles Taylor be say
Charles Taylor nya born na onim ba bia Dombote fa
Dombote abi high
and then no wo hwe Ghana team we a ye de call World Cup ya none of the boys none outfield players no ena wabo Ghana local league ayi BB and I say obo youth level yes enti omo ye time ye film 2022 World Cup e wo Qatar no eya brantie Salis Samed
yes Samed Salis
midfielder no o granting interview bi na senka Ghana ni enim nyansa ana ye bobom omo di enim no omo adwen ofi a ka omo be gina sa interview no so e de aye bibi afa Ghana football
okay say
asem o kan ni say the ama ye ntumi anko enim say omo mu dudo na enim omo ho afi no omo ahya ase e bo omo bo omo ho ball bom po no in even 6 months mpo e no correct ono no hya ase so obo na onya 6 months mpo enti no e be take time senka kakra omo betumi abọ omo ho no my den omo hu se de obi a bọọbọ esitie se de obi pese o si receive pass se de obi pese ye bre ball man no ne de ekeka ho ni nyina this was Salis that day me tie that interview that was after Uruguay share you know na me say boy onim ball mu sa squad e kwe onka ho ti squad e kwe ye wo 15 players omo mbo World Cup da the last World Cup e kwe film group stage na omo mbo World Cup da e 2 pay by the time I called 2014 World Cup no squad they call na about 14 of them no more World Cup da from 2006 to start 20
so no more side experience
that experience no by 2010 the na I call 26 na boys no do na what that experience we about AFCON qualifiers o ma bo your friend o say that time na your friend national team o mo e den a ye be from Asamoah Gyan Suleiman Tai Michael Essien Laikinson all them pa olele da Black Stars go over 20 years
olele dem a won say stability
the point. There was stability there was their friend telepathy adwen hia ti say obi bonani a obi ye the body language bi onim there all them pa chon kohwe goals at that time no Asamoah Gyan share go against Algeria 2015 AFCON go against USA all them go against Czech Republic 2006 you know so goals ni na follow a particular pattern omo na omo provide service man so goals ni na Mubarak Wakasu Andre Ayew and Akodwa Asamoah kohwe kwan na omo fa so ye no na omo nyina anim ti so onya ball na say dedenya ball na onim say Asamoah Gyan ebe movie to o sha ase ball na to direction onim say Asamoah Gyan empa ye ni USA sa ball no say they didn't ball a float to ball na man onya ball na o floaty and he knew Gyan will meet the ball there ye ni Algeria no
2015 Asamoah Gyan goals ni bi man sa bre no
ye ni Algeria Mubarak Wakasu ne ball the same way Jordan ball sa 2010 Andre ball sa and ono so ye so omo ni mo ho ti Ghana team we no ye ni me ho imagine say ye call tournament last World Cup no not the only player then acquire our experience our youth level 2 pay Mohamed Kudus as say on cry print on team na Andre Ayew no say an ball born in shada anya the enkan but ye call 2010 World Cup Ghana wiase afana nyina agi etum say ye modern mo konkan na nye Suarez in sense maybe kran ke be ko final na boys on boy ni na I den abom ho border Asamoah Gyan any Suleiman 2010 World Cup no
chale onu na na say na squad dey bobo
that is the point
Mr. Bra Facebook ahimfie 106.1
adukwe papo mu nyina na me boys o ma bom ho ball so see bobo no oje see who USA dey na obo say the same thing Jordan flow to ball na pe enodimika yes
and on one
side on the left na say USA dey na for J no
on the left but ana make say Asamoah Gyan e wo that gifter unsusu say obetimi ahye no obese
hwe ma menche wade
yeah
in the last decade Ghana, you under 17 to mean qualify for World Cup.
Hey.
Under 20, the same thing. Olympic Games podium in Panama under 23 since 2004. I call Athens, Greece. You to mean qualify for any Olympic Games. Your last attempt, South Africa for an air day, deprive you. Patch on them, patch. Now, Ghana local league. How many local boys are no more? A big crown almost 30 games. Habib, Naofi, Ken Faisal, Ilyasu, Dankwe. They were all part of that 2000 and George O as goalkeeper.
Right.
Yeah, after any Italy boy, no, any boy, second game, any Czech Republic boy, Ilyasu, I know Bokotoko at the time, and I need central defense, one John Mensah. All them a part.
Yeah.
And then, call World Cup umpa, and I'm see local league ninya papa here, and there's a Kotoko Africa, nana. No mu kushia North African team they are not areho. Omanji cry 5 goals. That is it. With that board just last season, second round of qualification. With that, they show me 1-0. Omo with that just 28 seconds. Not to that from goal. That 28 seconds. In the end, no, nana, na omashe 5. Has to folk any experience boy. Experience almost 6 home and away on aggregate. Omo last attempt, omo team bi your friend is saying Algeria. Say bi omo your middle table team from JS Sura. JS Sura share has to folk 4-0 away. Wabrana has a show 2-0. So local league na any youth football na ye FAPIM foundation ye de eco tournament no. It may be a trip
so when
na USA go no. To say first go na e buy no. Said ye offer so share sa kwan na offer so share go.
The way see bomb no.
That is the point. Oje na why them because omunim say eden ya.
Time na squad we pa kudwa Samuel Munim.
Yes, time no. Squad. Na Ghana ebobo a ye defend you. Ye de kono toa opponent no.
Wow.
When you say 2014 World Cup.
The way see ball
the ball say ball man.
Sa go we say pa enya Samuel Jana one bit.
Na ye ne you know Algeria.
The way see ball no.
Yes, ye ne 2015.
Asamoah there, Edding. For us to get an Asamoah, it will take a longer time. The attitude, I like his attitude.
Yes.
How he wants to score.
Before Bebo youth, Asamoah and Kronani Sule, Mobo, Liberty Professional, so no more local league boys. Sule Bo Liberty.
Yeah.
One Ibrahim Atiku, boy, I know 1999 New Zealand, under 17, and Asamoah. So you see that by the time our players in the Benini are coming, no. Now they have had that playing experience amongst themselves.
The chemistry here, Juma.
If you crab local league, maybe 5 years in France, and your friend, no, your friend saying, Black Star. If you are under 17, about under 20, to fee under 20, no, wakoba under 23, and sample no bebo Black Star. A sani pekuna na ni yimu. Patron de me patron. See the American say, if it's her last 2010, after na ye koya ye last batch of. A group will be on Mokobo youth level like to me bear 6 and soon be a better national team if you ye bio because if it's hard time then America say yeah under 17 to me qualify on the may patron now the about person who or maybe I say or deteriorate and the ball born air pra
yeah
choir of fast bomb more than our competitions
right
Ghana J AFCON last time I think 45 years in here a local league since 2000 has to folk AJ CAF Champions League. Ghana team will be into me NGB. Confederations Cup has to folk in AJ the first edition 2004 it being GBU. So under 17 I said they make you to make almost every 2 years we are not Ghana J under 17 tournament into me GBU under 20 since 2009 AJ into me GBU. So Ghana
before so bet was I like this video. But bra Facebook never share there. I like this video because
the pattern will go soon.
And I'm even looking at the attitude, the attitude of the captain.
Yes.
Now or say we the attitude or they
we Koja Samoa. They won't say the Koja Samoa ball.
Cross save.
The same way that Jordan Andre Ayew across a man.
And yesterday it was so difficult for us to get somebody like this.
Yes.
Obe cross so cry
and game winner against Portugal of all teams.
Yeah. Me
Portugal of all teams. 2014.
And as someone they will be say go be hokrana.
Yes.
And ye be say what's no say.
Yes. So the problem is say your football
Charlie.
no at pro at all levels. You call your first 2 World Cups on. Now boys are say you young one more Ghana. Now you if you put a pay cho say you form on kahono. No me 2 pay. Patron de me patron no. And then share Ghana team ya. You kwa manone eko patcho say unimubo abebomaye. Unimubo abebomaye. She say put the UK. Opening say nanu ya ketokreku ko UK training tour bi o me identify talent.
Imagine.
That should tell you say and locally no you need the quality product that you need to rely on.
All right.
So the issue here you need boys near the core no lack of experience omunim omo ball omo ball omo enche enti the ebe an say yeso yare na no ne ye no ti Carlos Cruz do ye say obe try say ye ni amanfo ba omo nhye na ebi anyame ye adom na ye lucky ti say de na en wo kana en na yetumi hye ba ko bia na ya protect goal no ba ye ni sa dominance mentality na wo can say first ni Germany boy the ball no to am ye ni Portugal boy the to am because ye gye ho di say ye betumi ni omo abo no ye ni bi.
All right. Besaba so interesting. Ebusa we beba muso but mamimbi lines no quickly for enno a wo mo hwe bi fa football no wa wo hwe bi enno an me bi lines no Black Stars no unhu ni say is the Facebook active?